off my shoes, dash it in the ring. My jacket is a cape, and my brother has a cane. The richest man rocks the snatch his necklace.
Hi! I look like a crazy person. I'm gonna calm down. So I went thrifting today, and I went a little bit crazy. Yeah, I just got back from all that shopping, so if I look like I'm a little bit out, you just witnessed that. Anyways, that's why, because it was a long trip. But yeah, I got some amazing stuff. I swear to God, I'm gonna calm down. Okay. Hi, my name is Natalie and welcome back to my channel. That just seems so fake now because I did all of that. Anyways, I got so many things and I'm so proud of them. I don't know, they all kind of match. Like the color palette is kind of like similar. So yeah, I'm just gonna try each one of them one by one and like talk you through why I bought it. Why am I saying this? You already know how try-on hauls work, so what's the point? Anyways, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so first, this is definitely not the best thing I got, but it's, I don't know, it's green, and I've been loving green lately. I just hope it's not showing off as if it's neon on the camera. I swear to God, it has this beautiful, like, tone to it. Not tone, shade. Is it shade? I think it's a shade. Anyways, oh my God, we didn't talk about the freaking thingy. It says famous soon. And I got it because, you know, we all know that I'm gonna be famous soon, so. No, I'm totally kidding. Please don't take anything that I say seriously, okay? I'm just too tired. Next! Okay, so another thing. I know what you're thinking. They have like a strange fit. Some people may think they're ugly, but I do not, so. Yeah. Plus, they're Tommy Hilfiger. I know you're thinking right now that, like, you know, I got them just because they're Tommy Hilfiger, and you're completely right. No, I'm kidding. I actually really like the color. Plus, I really wanted to get Dickies for such a long time, and they kind of remind me of them. However, I don't really like how they're like wide at the bottom, so I'm gonna alter them a little bit to make them like a little bit more slimmer. I also need to alter the waist because like this, it looks super cute. From the back, however, it does not because I tied it. But yeah, other than that, they're Tommy. Oh, and they cost me $5. So I mean, Tommy pants like this for $5, who wouldn't take them, you know? So yeah. Next, please. Next thing I got is this beautiful dress. I styled it with a turtleneck and some tights plus a beret because, you know, fall is coming up. I can't wear shoes right now because not on my bed, but like imagine it with like cute white boots that I don't own, but maybe one day I will. Something like this, with this. Wait a minute, I just got an idea. Don't I look like some, you know, Instagram, coffee shop, influencer or something? I just look stupid. Okay, whatever. Well, anyways, I got this dress for $3. You know, I live in Prague, so that means we pay in Czech crowns. This dress was 60 crowns, so that means it's around $3, which is a perfect price, I think. Anyways, I'm gonna move on to another one. Boom! I'm back. Another find, super cute. It's a yellow shirt. It has a mermaid and a diver on it, and a fish. So yeah, I absolutely love the color. It's also oversized, and if you would have seen my trying on all of my clothes video, which if you didn't, you should definitely go check that out after you watch this video. I already said there that I'm trying to grow like a collection of oversized vintage t-shirts, and this t-shirt is actually Polo Ralph Lauren. I know it kind of doesn't look like it's Polo, but it is, so that's great. I still don't kind of know how to style big t-shirts because, you know, I only wear crop tops really, so I'm gonna figure that out. But yeah, that's this, and it cost me exactly $2, so another great find. Next item, please. Do you see this coat? Like, hi! It's so pretty! Like the color, I am so freaking happy with this find. This is actually my favorite color, so to have a coat that is my favorite color is super cool. And yeah, it also, you can like tie it. Also super cute. This was the most expensive thing that I got, and it was $10. $10 for a coat that looks like this. I'm sorry, like, I know you're jealous. I know you're not. Anyways, let's move to the next item. This is the next thing. Again, I don't really know how to wear long t-shirts yet, so I'm probably never gonna wear it like this. I mean, this looks kind of cool. I was originally looking for a band t-shirt today, but I just couldn't find one, and instead I found this one. It kind of gives me like the band tee vibes, and it cost me between $3 and $4. So yeah, again, an amazing find, and yeah. Next one. This is another thing that I got. Look at the beautiful fabric. To be quite honest, I don't really know how to describe this. I thought it was a shirt, but then I put it on and I realized it has like this tie right here. So I can either like tie it around like this. I know this is definitely like a pajama top because it has this super soft fabric under it that just makes the shirt like 5 times better because it's actually really warm, so it's gonna be perfect for winter. And again, it cost me only $2. Anyways, next one. Okay, don't tell me I don't look like a bride right now. Like, come on. But the next thing I have is this beautiful silky or satin, I still don't know, long maxi dress. It's probably not a maxi dress, it's like a nightgown, but I'm gonna wear it as a maxi dress. First of all, it cost me $2. Yeah, it cost me $2. Like, what? I don't know. It's definitely not like a fine for winter or fall. It's definitely like a beachy, summery vibe. But you know what? It's okay. I will use it next year because, yeah, it's just so perfect. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna put the next thing just over this dress because it's just a sweater. Look at this color. It is this beautiful lavender purple. It's kind of oversized. Like, if I would just, you know, yeah, it doesn't look good. But what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna kind of like do this tucking thing, but like all over the body, so it's like cropped. And yeah, I think it looks super freaking cute. And yeah. Oh, and this cost me around $5, I think. So yeah, perfect. Okay, so this is the next thing. I actually got this dress and a couple next things that are coming up from my trip through Europe, which was a couple weeks ago, and they're all thrifted. So yeah, I just thought I would include them in this haul. But yeah, whatever. I got this beautiful slip dress. Not only does it fit me so well, but it's a freaking Snoopy dress. Like, I don't know. I'm just completely in love with this. I actually wore this same exact outfit already on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there, you definitely should. Here it is. So yeah, this is it. It cost me $5. Okay, yeah, next one. Okay, another thing that I got from the trip is another slip dress. I know I already showed you 3 other slip dresses, but I just couldn't help it. This one cost me $2.50, and it has this beautiful pattern. Like, look at that. I actually wore this same exact outfit on my Instagram again. Look at this. Here I am. This one is just so beautiful again. And yeah. Okay, another 2 things I got are actually 2 bralettes. Normally I wouldn't share this, but they're just so cute. Like, look at this. Isn't it cute? It's like white lace with little bits of yellow. And it's super cute bow in the front. I don't know. And then this one is like a burgundy one. And it has these super cute like little roses embroidered on it. And yeah, it's just so cute. And they didn't even cost $1. They cost like, hey Siri, how much is 14 crowns to American dollars?
63 cents.
Did you just hear that? It's 63 cents for this, and they're brand new. So yeah. Okay, another thing that I got, I actually didn't thrift this, but my mom gave it to me because it was too small on her. It's this beautiful like mid-length skirt. I've been seeing these all over the internet. It's just so freaking cute. However, it's like a little bit too big on me. I had to tie it in the back. We're not gonna talk about it. Okay. Anyways, beautiful skirt. Costed me $0 anything. Just got it for $0 Czech crowns, whatever. So freaking cute. Anyways, next one please. Okay, so another thing that I got is this maxi dress. Now, this is definitely not for spring. This is definitely for like winter slash for slash fall. This again actually is not thrifted. My sister left for university a couple days ago, which means like, you know, basically the rest of her closet is mine. So I never knew she had this. I was like going through her stuff and then I found this dress and I was like, hold up, this is freaking cute. I was actually kind of surprised because it didn't make my butt look so small. Yeah, I thought so, and now I'm seeing myself in the camera and I see it's not true. So whatever, now I'm sad. Moving on. Let's move on. Okay, and the last but definitely not least thing is this mid-length dress that I also got from my sister's closet. I know it's, you know, it's different. I know like a lot of people would maybe think that this is freaking awful. Like I don't think so. Like the print is kind of out there, but the more I look at it, the more I like it. So yeah, it's also a little bit loose around my waist. So I'm definitely gonna take it in a little bit more. But for now, I'm just gonna tie it with a hair tie because improvisation. Look, doesn't it freaking look cool? I don't know. I honestly just like how it fits on my body and I feel like I'm like a classy grown-up lady, which I'm definitely not, but it makes me look like I am, so yeah. So yeah, this is the last thing. Okay, now that I'm seeing it closely, I really don't know about this dress. Like, I don't know about this print. I love the fit. Whatever. I counted all of the items that I got and I think I got 13 items from a thrift store plus 4 items from my mom and my sister. So together it's 17 items, but you know, I didn't pay for those 4 pieces. So yeah, for those 13 pieces that I got from a thrift store, I paid 905 crowns, which is $40.89. For 13 things, I'm sorry, wait, how much is 41? So basically, each one of the pieces cost me $3.15. That's amazing. Like, I got Tommy jeans, polo shirt, a coat, like 4 slip dresses. I got 2 wonderful bras. Okay, this thrift haul was definitely a success. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you want to give me a subscribe, that would be really nice from you. And if you want to follow me on my Instagram, that will be nice too. And if you want to do both of them, that would be amazing. And if you don't want to do any of them, that's fine too. Like, yeah. Anyways, so yeah, that's it for today's video. And yeah, I will see you next week. Bye!